how to change the key fob battery on a Ford C-Max. It's a 2013 to 2019 Ford C-Max. To replace the battery is very, very simple. Almost anything. There's a little slot there. So basically, I got a special little tool. You could use a flathead screwdriver. You could even use a coin. Just give it a little twist. Go right in there. It just falls out. So basically, it's just a CR 2032. I like the Duracells. I've never really worried about fingerprints. You could wipe this off if you want. It's just held in. It's just held in. There's nothing, no clipping, no nothing. Just place it back in there. Put it back on. That's it. Pretty simple. One more time, I could use my little snap-on chisel. That's all there is to it. Nothing to it at all. Oops. Yeah, it's just a CR 2032 Duracell. Button battery. Available everywhere. And just clip it back in. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.